Slip-on Hey Dudes for the men that don't want to put the heel on before they go walking. I got these because my husband's shoes are flat back here and they have a heel imprint. And I was like, sir, why are you not putting the heel on? He's like, I don't know, I just slip them on and go. They make them for that, sir. So here they are. If you are the same, please do yourself a favor and grab them so they actually fit correctly. Okay, love you, bye.
So Hey Dude just added 7 colors to the slip-ons. Oh, bro, they got all red in there. Look at this. I love the black trim right there. The dark gray. Look at that. The toe popper right there on it. The breathable sole. These are crazy clean, dog. Look at that. Check these out right down here in the link below. 7 different colors in the link below. Give us a follow and have a blessed day. So they came out with new colors. You could either watch the video or go look at those real quick. But this is what I love about them. You seen that? Just like this, walking up, or I'll go outside, or I'm about to go run some errands, just like this. These are perfect. And the thing about them is they have the sole of a shoe. And look at the new two-tone right here. And with the black trim right there, that is super fire. These are available in the link below. What's up? How y'all doing, man? I love these shoes. These are the slip-ons, man. Check them out. Give us a follow and have a blessed day.